Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I've got something super useful for you. I'll be showing you how to connect VPN in Windows 10 step by step. So, let's get started. Step 1. Go to Setting. Step 2. Network Internet VPN. Click on it. Step 3. Then click Add a VPN connection. Step 4. Then, choose Windows Built-in for the VPN type. For the connection name, the tutorial uses a VPN book. For the server address, it visits the website vpn-book.com. Step 5. Go to Google. In search bar VPN book. And scroll down, you can see PPTP. Click OK it. You can choose server locations such as Germany, Poland, USA, France, or Canada. In the example, Germany is chosen. Step 6. Copy the server address from the website and paste it into the VPN settings. Next, fill in the username and password fields. Go back to the VPN book website to copy the username for the password. Step 7.
After filling in credentials, click Save. Then go to the VPN list and click Connect. The connection process may take a couple of minutes depending on your internet speed. All right, that wraps up today's tutorial. I hope this guide was useful for you. If it helped, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe so you can catch more tips and tricks in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.